You got to get your lawnmower. Hey, we can't leave it there. Go get it. Go get your lawnmower. Come on, let's go back. We can't leave it here. Come on. I know the trash can is very, very exciting, but we can't leave the lawnmower here. Come on. That's your job. That's your job. There we go. There we go. All right, buddy. Let's do it. Come on. Good job. Good job. All right. Come on. Yeah. Clap for the good job. Whee! Keep coming. What's wrong, bud? Who's over there? Who's over there? Is she right? He's right. It is Mama. Oh, Mama's running away. Look, Mommy doesn't want anything. Oh, so sad. So sad. So sad. Oh. You better go get her.